Alright, what's up everybody? Just doing a quick video to show Rode mic repair. So I guess everybody with the Vidmic probably has the O-rings that keep breaking. This is a cheaper way to save your money so you don't have to order them online from Rode and pay like 12 bucks for a little kit of 8 O-rings. This is from Home Depot. It's number 283, if it'll focus on it. It's number 283, O-rings, 1/2 inch outer diameter. They're $2.40 a pack. I just bought these ones today, and so they look like this, brand new, unstretched, and they fit perfectly. You can see I already replaced those ones. They fit perfectly, and it's a quick job just to get it in. Replace them. I'll do the other two. They come with 6 in a pack, so if you only have one that's busted, then it makes sense to just buy one pack, keep the rest in a drawer, or just replace them all. There you go, just replaced them. Saved myself $8 from going, well, I bought 2 packs. I replaced all the O-rings. Saved myself $8 from having to go through Rode or buying them aftermarket online or anything. Save yourself some money too. Yeah, so if this helped at all, just like it, subscribe. I'll do more quick fixes like this if anything else comes up with my stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching.